Hello everyone, wishing you a very good morning. So today we're going to be looking at the 3 events in your life that could lower your workplace performance. Okay? So just like how when you're in a state of joy, happiness, motivation, or gratitude, your performance improves. Okay? There are certain events in your life which could lead to certain breakdown emotions which could actually lower your performance. So the 3 events which I have typically noticed, okay, lowering my performance multiple times, directly and indirectly, I'm going to be sharing these 3 events with you. Okay. The number one event is death. Okay. If you've observed or if you have been a part of somebody's death, if you've seen somebody's death, God forbid, it could be anybody near and dear to you, or it could be your friends, your neighbors, or anyone, even on television for that matter. If you've witnessed a death, okay, it actually creates a temporary to a permanent trauma in the mind. And science has this proven, okay, when you see somebody's death, it actually lowers your confidence levels, it lowers your performance levels, it actually keeps you in a state of uncertainty and trance, and it actually makes you question life. And this questioning in turn creates a fear, okay, which sometimes could stop you from performing well at the workplace. Okay. So, God forbid, if you've really come across somebody's death in the recent past, or maybe several years before, or even, even if you are anticipating somebody to die, that could also lower your performance, ideally. So, death is an event that can actually lower your workplace performance drastically. Okay. Now, the second event which can actually lower your workplace performance is debts. Okay. Debts in terms of money, quite obviously, lowers your performance. The first reason being because you are always constantly under pressure, okay, to fulfill that debt, isn't it? You need to repay the loan money. You need to pay up your EMIs. So that kind of a debt quite obviously lowers your performance because that's putting you in a state of fear. Now, there could also be another kind of a debt, which is karmic debt. Okay. How do you create that karmic debt? For example, you shouted at somebody. Okay. So there you have created a debt. You got angry at somebody. There you created a debt. Okay. You tried to harm somebody in the office or say gossip about someone. There you have created a debt. Okay. Say, for example, given your position and your designation, you had to fire somebody. There you have created a debt. So all these debts can actually put you in a trip of guilt and resentment, and it can actually reduce your workplace performance. Okay. Now, the third event, which will very obviously reduce workplace performance, is disease. Okay. So any kind of a disease, whether it's active or passive or known or unknown, if it's entered your body, if it's entered your consciousness, if it has entered your conscience or whatever, it will impact workplace performance and lower your performance, right? So these 3 events generally are something that you need to look out for. So God forbid, again, if you've really come across any of these, or if you are already in that situation, be mindful of how it is impacting your workplace performance. Okay. And NLP or neuro linguistic programming is one of the best methods to identify all these traumas and hidden stress and hidden anxiety in our body, and actually release all of that to free ourselves from these 3 kind of traumas that we accumulate due to death, debts, and disease, and actually strengthen ourselves to such an extent that spiritually, mentally, physically, we become capable of performing well. And so I hope you found this video resourceful. If you did, just post resourceful in the comments.